Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel LKT Bro Financial Freedom. Today in this video we will discuss a little deeper about wave analysis. Before we dive into the video, friends, some people they simply believe the indicators. All the indicators are lagging indicators like RSI, moving average, boiler band, etc. All the indicators are lagging indicator. Lagging indicator means it cannot able to predict before it happen. Create your own strategy. For additional information, use the indicator. Friends, we are not using any kind of indicators. Even though when you see in my chart, I am not using any indicators. This is about the wave analysis. Friends, subscribe my channel for weekly update. With this information, we will dive into our video. Friends, I am in the day chart. After we got this expansion flat, we got this impulse move. After this impulse move, we got this impulse move sharp to the downside. Once we break the previous impulse move, technically we are in the bear trend. Friends, after we get this impulse move, what we can expect? We can expect a corrective wave. Corrective wave is a minimum 3-wave structure. What it means? The wave will be 3 waves. So now what we can expect? Wave 1 is completed. How I am saying wave 1 is completed? For that we will dive into the 4 hours chart. In 4 hours chart you can see this is the running flat. I got this impulse move with this corrective wave as a running flat. After that I got this impulse move. Once the previous impulse move was broken, it was confirmed that wave 1 is completed. After getting this impulse move, what I can expect? I can expect a corrective wave. Corrective wave, in this case it came in the form of expanding flat. If you are clear till now, then you know what is going to happen next week. Yes, you are right. It is next week we are predicting it can go down. It can go down and break this low, even this low. Friends, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. This video is only for education purpose. Please take action based on your research. Next chart is Bajaj Finance Limited. Friends, I am in the weekly chart. This is the bigger picture of Bajaj Finance. Friends, after this impulse move to the upside, what we can expect? We have to expect a corrective structure. Minimum 3 wave. So this is the wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3. It came in the form of contracting flat. Let's dive into the 4 hours chart. So how I know whether this structure is completed? See, this is the running flat with 2 impulse wave. Once the impulse wave was broken, we assume that the trend is reversal. Friends, in the bigger picture, Bajaj Finance complete the complete structure. What we can expect next? We can expect same like this impulsive move. From here to, it can break this top, it can break this top even though. What next? Because of Nifty was little weaker, we can expect a small corrective wave here which create an opportunity to enter into a trade. The one who missed the rally can enter any small correction in coming weeks, which create a good opportunity to catch this rally. Once again, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. I have full rights to be wrong. Please consider only as an education video. Till now, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. It will motivate us and every week we will come with a new videos. Friends, now I am in the Bank Nifty weekly chart. After I got this impulsive move, I got this corrective wave which came in the form of 3-way structure running flat. After this corrective wave, there is a sharp move to the upside which is an impulse move. But Now I am in the 4 hours chart. After sharp move to the downside, this is the impulse move. We got this corrective wave in the form of running flat. Next week we can expect a impulse move to the downside. Next week we can expect to the downside, which can break this low, even this low. If Bank Nifty breaks this low, technically Bank Nifty is in the bear trend. Okay friends, till now if you enjoy my video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. See you in next video. Until then, goodbye.